Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I am KG, and this is Gossip Hotspot. They do lavish face beads, long lashes, and ball gowns. Glamour is not a question. Money is not an issue, and drama is the name of the game. We present to you Real Housewives of Johannesburg and their husbands. Let me remind you once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and please also like, share and comment on my video. At number 1, we have Evodia Mogase, also known as Madame. Madame was once married but got divorced because of her husband was unfaithful. After the split in 2009, she had nothing to her name except for the clothes that she wore at the time. She had assisted him in establishing a thriving panel beating company in Limpopo but left everything for her peace of mind. For 2 years, Madame lived in a caravan because she did not want to go back to her parents. The ex-husband is now deceased. In 2018, 9 years after her divorce, Mogase Madame found love again. Moving on, we have Naledi. Naledi, born in Botswana, is a South African reality TV star, actress, and a former beauty pageant queen. She was married to South African Metro FM radio presenter and DJ Quinton, also known as Naked DJ Masina, for only a year before Naledi confirmed that she and Naked DJ had called it quits. Moving on, we have Nompumelelo Thandeka, famously known as Miss Mops, Mpumi Mops. Mpumi Mops is a South African actress, television figure, and businesswoman. Her lavish looks and luxurious lifestyle has caught the attention of many viewers of the reality show. With her "I can get everything I want" attitude, Miss Mops will probably end up as the most liked housewife in the reality show. Mpumi Mops is married to a business mogul, Isaac, who owns Randvest Capital and Business Connection Group Ltd. He is also a chairman and director of Bothomed Ltd and an IT expert. Mpumi Mops and her husband met and fell in love during their first year in the university. They are proud parents of 3 children. Up next, we have Crystal K. The songstress and former lawyer turned into a businesswoman. Crystal took viewers on a journey with her growing music career. She also learns to juggle new dynamics and everyday pressure of daily life while making new friends. As an entertainment figure, Crystal is known all over Mzansi. Beyond that, she is also an accomplished business person that also works in the music industry. She was married to Eddie K. He now has the title Crystal K ex-husband following their separation in May 2019 after 8 years and 1 child together. Moving on, we have Brinette Soopela. Brinette is and always been a businesswoman in South Africa, specializing and growing in the cosmetic industry. She then took up a role as one of the Real Housewives of Johannesburg cast, bringing about large growth in her fan base. She also owns a famous spa in Johannesburg. She got married to Temba, who is a chief sales director at Tsebo Solution Group of companies. Unfortunately for them, their marriage lasted for only 5 months. Currently, she is single and entirely focused on her business empire, and also happy that the marriage ended, having no regrets. Then we have Lebo Jojo Gunguluza. She was born on the 4th of June 1992 in Free State. The South African financial specialist career began as a professional distributor. Lebo is the mind behind the generally pursued South African Music Award magazine. She has been the business controller for more than 5 years. She is married to a businessman, Lebo, whom she has a son with. These two got married in 2017 in a beautiful traditional ceremony that was followed by a beautiful white wedding. Sadly, the couple has went their separate ways. Lebo, the husband, confirmed that they have been separated for a year and their divorce is about to be finalized. Lastly, we have Tarina. The beauty queen is also a smart film producer, actor, model, humanitarian, and professional psychologist. She is a multi-talented star who has won public admiration for her unmatched success. Tarina is a perfect blend of beauty and artistic brains. Tarina's husband is Shama, a prominent personality and director in many corporate firms. Beside his role as the CEO of Trade and Investment South Africa, Shama is the founder of ISSAR. They have been married since 2009. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye.